Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Kat Scrappiness YouTube channel. So we are using different colored paper here. So we have glitter paper, which I cut out the brushed tree out of this pretty purple glitter paper. And I used some gold glitter paper as well for the star. And the gold paper is from the Christmas glitter paper pack. You might have seen it from the retreat bundle for December 3rd, or you might have seen it in the Kat Scrappiness store as a new release. So I cut out the tree 4 times, 1 out of the glitter paper and then 3 out of white cardstock. I like to layer word dies or die cuts, so I love that dimension so that I don't have to use foam tape. It's just a little easier for me. And I think to me it mails easily as well. And so I'll just be gluing those together. I did have a hard time picking what background paper that I wanted. There are these Starlight Jewel remixed paper pads. As you see, I have one to the left and one to the right. And they have really nice colors, and I will have to hoard them because I love them, or stock up on them because they are so pretty. And they make, because there's stars, they make great background like for nighttime. If you don't like to ink blend, you can use this pattern paper. And I did the same for my star. I did die cut it all together. I did my trees and my stars at one time so that I would have all the die cuts ready for me. And this card makes an easy and a fun card to mass produce. And so here we will take a look at the Starlight Jewel remixed paper pad, and there is 12 patterns, double-sided, and there's 2 of each design. And I don't know if you've tried Kat Scrappiness's paper, but the quality is just really, really nice. It's a good thick quality, and I dislike thin paper pad. I mean, like thin pattern paper, but this is so pretty. I love it. So I love Kat Scrappiness's glitter paper as well. So amazing. So I am just looking through all my Starlight papers here. And so I hope you enjoy looking through paper. I love to look through paper when someone shows me. And so I believe, okay, we'll take a look at this pattern paper, and it's really pretty. I love the pinks and the red. I was wondering what would look good with this purple glitter tree, and I went with purple because it's my favorite color, and I know there's a lot of us who love purple as well. And who wouldn't want to receive a Christmas card with a purple tree, or even pink? I love pink too. So I ended up going with that green paper, but I think I still look around, still undecided. Oh no, I decided on the green. So I am going to cut it out with my rectangle die, and then I will add it to a card base and work on our sentiment. And I do die cut this off camera. And so there we go. And then I am doing a sentiment from the Reindeer Games Sentiments stamp set. and you would have seen this sentiment stamp set in the Kat Scrappiness store or from the winter virtual retreat bundle that we have on December 3rd. So you can still sign up for that. It's a free workshop that we are doing on December 3rd, and I am one of the ones teaching a class. I will be in the morning, so I hope you will sign up and watch. And I'm just cutting my sentiment, and then I will layer it on some gold pattern paper. And I'm just using a scrap that I had used previously. And I always save my scraps. They just come in handy. You never know. And I'm not going to throw away glitter paper from Kat Scrappiness, especially. Okay, so I did glue those together. Now I will glue my tree and my sentiment to my card. And so really pretty. I'm going to have to make some more of these cards. And next I will be adding some embellishments. So I'm going to be adding some stars from the Merry Christmas Icons Sequins Mix. And so really pretty. You get, there's trees and reindeers and Santa, and there's even a sentiment that says Merry Christmas. So it's just really nice, and I love this mix. And so I decided on the gold stars here. Here's the Merry Christmas. Isn't that neat? And so I will be adding, I do add 5 stars. I usually do odd numbers, and I thought it went well with my card to add a lot of stars. And that finishes my card. So I hope you like it. I hope you make some of these kinds of cards. They're really fun and easy, which I love. And I will show you in just a second my card up close. Thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.